Dear students, mains is always the most challenging step in the civil services examination. There is a constant concern among the aspirants about the answer writing. Mains is over. You all have seen the latest paper of mains. We are trying to organize a workshop where our teachers will be taking the sessions in which they will help you in understanding the answer writing. Mains is always considered by the aspirants as the biggest hurdle. The reason is they are always having lot of anxiety about answer writing. How to write a good answer is not a concern anymore. I would like you all to learn not just a good answer, but an excellent answer. Why should we lower down our ambitions? What is the art and the science of answer writing? If you want to know, you are most welcome to attend the workshop on 10th of October 2022. I will be discussing this year's mains GS2 paper. There is a constant inquiry what should be the difference in the approach of writing political science answer and GS2 answers. So I believe in doing the things and explaining the things. No amount of explanations and consultations can actually help until and unless we put the baby in the bath water. So you all are welcome for the discussion of this year's GS2 paper, where I would like to share my approach, how you can handle the paper so that you can maximize your marks. So once again, thank you all of you, and I expect that you will be coming and taking the insights. The venue will be our 32B Pusa Road premise, second floor. The date of the discussion of GS2 paper by me will be on 10th October from 5 p.m. onwards. A prior registration is needed for the want of the space and to avoid the unnecessary chaos. You can scan on the link given below and you can go for the registration. Hopefully, this session is going to give you a good understanding and will address many of your problems with respect to the challenges in the GS2 answer writing of this year's of the mains. You can go for the registration in the link given below. I believe this particular workshop is going to give a big confidence as well as boost for your preparation in GS2. Thank you.